Hello guys, good morning. In this video, I want to discuss something which is very important, which is very good to come to know now. If you have decided to do something and you need motivation for this, first of all, right? And motivation does not last longer, you know. Sometimes you will feel demotivated, sometimes you will feel loose, sometimes you will feel, excited, because the motivation, excitement, and all these things did not last forever. So what you have to do to make yourself motivated again, to keep yourself motivated again? So the secret is consistency. The consistency, when you get the motivation, start being consistent. If you have decided to do something, you are motivated, right? You are motivated to do something, then you have to make yourself consistent about the thing and start doing that. When you are consistent on doing something, then it becomes a habit. When it becomes a habit, even when you are not motivated, even if you are feeling loose, if you are feeling low, or if you are not feeling motivated, the habit will take you to lead the path, and the habit will again make you consistent. So the consistency and the habit is directly proportional to each other. So if you are consistent, if you are motivated, be consistent. Okay, start being consistent, because motivation is not going to last longer. So make yourself consistent, and the consistency will bring a habit inside you. And when it becomes a habit, even when you will feel low, if you will feel high, or you will lose, you will win, it doesn't matter. You will keep on doing the things, and when you keep on doing the things, you get the goal what you wanted. You will make it possible to achieve the goal whatever you have wanted, be it life, be it the health and fitness, be it money and finance, be it anything. So when you are motivated, just start making consistency. When you have decided something, be consistent of doing that every day, because consistency is all about showing up every day, every morning, every single morning. There should not be a rest day, there should not be a cheat day. So this is what I am feeling now, because I have taken a challenge to lose my weight, and I'm not motivated all the day, right? All human beings cannot be motivated all the day. Sometimes they are motivated, sometimes they are low, or sometimes they feel not to wake up in early morning and go on jogging, go on swimming, go on walking, go on do exercise, or go to anywhere, right? So I am also a human being, and I also felt the same. But since I am consistent, since I am coming to this seaside beach every morning, every single morning at 4:30 a.m., and I'm here until 7:30 a.m. So these 4 hours I am giving every day. And even when I am feeling low, when I am feeling demotivated and not to go there, my consistency is now converted into a habit, which is taking me every day here, So what I felt, I am sharing with you. You have to be consistent whatever you want in life. Okay, if you have decided to be a doctor, a great engineer, a great sportman, or a great IAS officer, or a great entrepreneur, you have to do things consistently. So you have to keep on doing the things. Success and failures will come in between. You will feel motivated, you will feel demotivated. It is natural, it is okay. You just have to be consistent, and the consistency will bring habit inside you, and that habit will bypass everything, whether it is a success, whether it is a failure. It will not matter. You will end up showing there every day. You will end up doing the things every day, and that's where your big goal is there. So you will achieve your highest goal. So the secret is, be consistent, keep on showing every day, keep on doing the things you are doing. Remember that you can achieve great things if you are consistent, and believe in yourself. Believe on what you are doing, believe on what you have decided, believe on your target, believe on your goal, and one day for sure you will achieve it. So never quit, never give up. All the best.